goals from Yasser Ibrahim and Mustafa Zico, either side of Messi having a penalty save, put the Pharaohs inside of a historic victory in Atlanta. However, Cristiano Romero's header sparked the comeback as Argentina struck 3 times in 11 minutes plus stoppage time. Messi smashed home the equalizer to score for a 9th consecutive World Cup game and this tournament. Enzo Fernandez completed the turnaround with a header 2 minutes into stoppage time. So Argentina go to the quarterfinals.